A világ legnagyobb ajkai vannak ennek a hölgynek. Na hát igen, nagyon kicsike.
The biggest lift in the world. My body is the most expensive thing I own. I first got those photos when I was like 19 years old. And
19 évesen már neki valami 0,5 CC-vel kezdte, tehát C-vitamin pesgővel, már feltöltette, ez nem ámítás, nem bámítás, nem állítás, semmiféle vajas hárítás, ez szó szerint ilyen kolbászajkok. Hát, hogy nem.
the 0.5 cc, I think. Right now, I deadlift the last.
Azt a mindenit, most kapta az ajaktömőket, hát, nem tudom mik azok, meg hogy néznek ki, de hát ez már brutális, érted? Ez már az extrém viti, riki-viki.
Around sometimes in every week. Mostly it's between 2 or 4 weeks. I always travel with my yoga friend, which my expert for that. I go dancing regularly because I want to grow really big. I want to get it really extreme. I get really pumped up. And so I always ask her when my lips are ready for getting further. And if she says like, now you can
Nagyon
go,
jó.
then I go there. I love about big, heavy big lips that really affects my daily life and the attention I get. And having the lips totally and the attention I get. And having the lips totally affects how I talk with girls, but also how I drink or eat or also breath. So it's sometimes even hard to breathe when I'm going for a run or so.